The tennis and red cricket ball factory stands ready for precision manufacturing. Now, the tennis and red cricket ball materials prepare for refinement.
Color precision defines the red cricket ball identity.
Conditioning protects every tennis and red cricket ball. Now begins precision automation for perfection.
Bounce consistency confirms professional performance.
Grip quality ensures real match performance. Now begins the final transformation into global products. The final stage begins as tennis and red cricket ball enters global packaging.
Every tennis and red cricket ball is individually protected. Each layer defines the strength of a tennis and red cricket ball.
Wool provides resilience inside every tennis and red cricket ball.
Pressure defines perfection in tennis and red cricket ball shaping.
It begins with raw latex, the foundation of every tennis and red cricket ball. Every drop of latex shapes the future of a tennis and red cricket ball. Collected latex begins its journey toward tennis and red cricket ball processing.
The transformation of tennis and red cricket ball material begins with coagulation. Raw latex evolves into rubber sheets for tennis and red cricket ball cores. Pressure refines the structure of tennis and red cricket ball rubber. Drying stabilizes the core material of tennis and red cricket ball production. Wool fibers prepare the inner strength of a tennis and red cricket ball. All raw elements align to begin the tennis and red cricket ball journey.
Careful arrangement protects tennis and red cricket ball materials in transit.
Cricket ball factory awaits its raw materials.
Every tennis and red cricket ball shipment passes strict checks.
Organized movement defines tennis and red cricket ball material handling. The conveyor begins the internal journey of tennis and red cricket ball production.
The tennis and red cricket ball journey begins with deep purification. Water systems ensure purity in tennis and red cricket ball materials. Only perfect materials continue in tennis and red cricket ball production.
All refined materials reunite for transformation.
Machines awaken to process tennis and red cricket ball materials. The tennis and red cricket ball core begins with precision compression.
Precision checks ensure tennis and red cricket ball consistency.
Cooling stabilizes the tennis and red cricket ball core integrity. Precision leather shaping begins for red cricket ball outer shell.
Precision leather shaping begins for red cricket ball outer shell.
Assembly begins before final sealing of tennis and red cricket ball.
Every stitch strengthens the tennis and red cricket ball shell. Shape precision defines professional tennis and red cricket ball quality. Now begins the true transformation of tennis and red cricket ball production.
Preparation begins for specialized tennis and red cricket ball processing. Heat stabilizes the foundation of tennis and red cricket ball components. Excess moisture is removed for perfect tennis and red cricket ball texture. Core transformation completes as tennis and red cricket ball enters automation.
The tennis and red cricket ball core gains its final strength. Every tennis and red cricket ball must pass bounce precision. The red cricket ball begins to take its iconic form. Heat locks durability into every tennis and red cricket ball. Smoothness defines professional tennis and red cricket ball finish.
Reinforced stitching ensures lasting performance. Balance defines professional-grade performance.
Every tennis and red cricket ball is inspected with machine precision. Laser precision ensures flawless tennis and red cricket ball quality. Automation sorts perfection in every tennis and red cricket ball.
Every tennis and red cricket ball meets exact global standards. Bounce consistency defines professional tennis and red cricket ball quality.
Polishing enhances final visual perfection. Only flawless tennis and red cricket ball units continue forward. Climate control protects long-term durability.
Brand identity is engraved with precision.
Now the final perfection stage begins.
Every tennis and red cricket ball enters its final precision check.
Human craftsmanship perfects what machines begin.
Precision shaping ensures flawless performance. A protective layer seals durability and shine.
Final drying locks in perfection.
Even branding follows strict precision standards. Visual perfection defines professional quality. Strength is tested before final approval.
Only the finest reach final packaging. Now begins the final stage of global distribution. Final scientific validation begins for every tennis and red cricket ball. Exact dimensions define official tennis and red cricket ball standards.
Every gram must match global precision rules.
Durability defines championship-level quality. Resistance ensures performance in all conditions. Even invisible flaws are eliminated. Only certified perfection moves forward. Precision filling ensures perfect global packaging. Each box is sealed for international distribution.
Bulk production is organized for global shipment.
Mass storage prepares for worldwide distribution.
Global delivery begins from this final loading point. From factory floor to the world stage, the journey begins.